If you live in a hot city and your vegetables keep drying up, bolting, or dying mysteriously, this video is for you. Maybe you planted spinach and it burned. Your lettuce tasted bitter. Your tomatoes flowered but didn't fruit. And you started thinking, maybe gardening just isn't for my city. Let me tell you something important. The problem is not the heat. The problem is what you're trying to grow. Today, I'll show you what to grow instead if you live in a hot city, whether it's a balcony, rooftop, backyard, or buckets. Stay with me, because one of these crops might completely change your gardening success. Most gardening advice online is designed for cool or temperate climates. But hot cities like Abuja, Lagos, Accra, and Nairobi have intense sunlight, high temperatures, fast soil drying heat, stress on plants, so crops that love cool weather will bolt quickly become bitter, stop producing or die suddenly. Smart urban farming means matching crops to your climate. Now let me show you the heat-loving winners. If heat were a competition, okra would win gold. Why okra is perfect for hot cities. Loves intense sun, thrives in high temperatures, grows well in buckets and ground, produces continuously once established. You can grow okra in 20-25-liter buckets. Grow bags, backyard soil. Tip: the hotter it gets, the happier okra becomes. If you've struggled with vegetables before, start here. Peppers love warmth, especially chili peppers. Bell peppers. Scotch bonnet: why peppers do well in hot cities. Deep roots. High fruit production in heat. But here's the secret most people miss. Too much water kills peppers. Moderate watering, plus full sun. Success. Peppers grow beautifully in buckets, pots, balcony, corners. If spinach keeps failing you, stop fighting it. Grow amaranth instead. This is tete in Yoruba or alejo in Hausa. Why amaranth is perfect. Thrives in extreme heat, grows fast. Harvest in 3 to 4 weeks. Can be cut multiple times. Very nutritious. This is one of the most reliable leafy greens for hot cities. Many people think spinach failed them, but the truth is, they planted the wrong green. Eggplant loves hot weather. Why it performs well. Strong plant structure. Handles full sun, long harvesting period. Eggplant is excellent for backyard gardens, buckets, rooftops. As long as you use rich soil, water deeply but not daily, it will reward you generously.
Let me save you frustration.
If you're a beginner in a hot city, pause these for now. Lettuce, English spinach, broccoli, cauliflower. They need cool temperatures, shade-controlled environments. Instead of forcing them, grow what grows easily where you are. That's how confidence is built. If you live in a hot city, don't fight the climate. Use it. Start with crops that love heat. That's how urban farming becomes enjoyable, not stressful. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more practical urban farming guidance. And tell me in the comments, which hot city are you gardening in? I'll tailor my next video to your location.